Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn about Import-Export Code, also known as IEC. Introduction. This license is issued under the Foreign Trade Development and Regulation Act, 1992. No person shall make any import or export except under an Importer-Exporter Code number granted by the Director General or an officer authorized by the Director General in accordance with the procedure specified by the Director General. In the case of import or export of services or technology, the Import-Export Code, or IEC, is required only where the service or technology provider is availing benefits under the foreign trade policy or is dealing with such specified services or specified technologies as may be notified by DGFT. Eligibility criteria. The eligibility to obtain an Import-Export Code, or IEC, under the Foreign Trade Development and Regulation Act, 1992, and the related rules and policies is as follows. Any person or entity intending to undertake import or export activities from India is eligible to apply for IEC. This includes individuals, proprietorship concerns, partnership firms, limited companies, trust bodies, or government authorities. There is no minimum import or export turnover requirement and no prior export experience required to obtain an IEC. Except in certain cases exempted by the government, IEC is mandatory for all imports and exports. The applicant must have a valid PAN, which is Permanent Account Number, issued by the Income Tax Department. The IEC is directly linked with the PAN of the applicant. Documents required: proof of establishment, incorporation, or registration. Depending on the type of business entity, the relevant certificate must be provided. For a partnership firm, partnership deed or registration certificate. For a registered society, society registration certificate. For a trust, trust deed. For a HUF, declaration or relevant proof. For other entities, certificate of incorporation or registration issued by the relevant authority. Proof of address. Any one of the following documents can be submitted as valid proof of business address: sale deed, rent agreement, lease deed, electricity bill, telephone landline bill, mobile postpaid bill, memorandum of understanding, also known as MOU, partnership deed. For proprietorship firms, the following documents are also acceptable: Aadhaar card, passport, voter ID. If the address proof is not in the name of the applicant firm, ANOC, which is no objection certificate, from the owner of the premises must be submitted along with their address proof as a single PDF file. Digital signature or Aadhaar. The applicant should have an active DSC, which is Digital Signature Certificate, or Aadhaar of any authorized member of the firm, for signing and submitting the application online. Validity. Once issued, the IEC remains valid for the lifetime of the entity unless it is suspended or cancelled due to non-compliance or violation of laws. Thanks for watching this video.